Now we use a claw bar here just to get off the cap here. Just put it on like that, catch the cap and off she comes. Next thing you want to do is the 30mm socket. And just like in the big nut there. Now she should come off. Off she comes. Use the wheel as a sort of leverage tool, you know, so you see here the liners come off and it's causing the brake to jam on. So if your brakes are jamming on your Renault Clio, it means that the liner just came off the shoe. So when you see the liners, sometimes you'll see handbrake cable does the same thing. So in this case the liners come off the shoe. Should bond like that, like so. So it comes off, jams the brakes, and it causes the brake to stick on. So if you got a Renault Clio, won't reverse back or go forward, the brakes are jammed on, just means that the liners come off the chute. What's happened here? And it'll jam the brakes. So the next operation, I'm going to take off the shoes here and replace the brake liners and replace the handbrake cable. That's our next step.